How to fix Legends of Dragaea Idle Dungeons crashing on Steam. First, you'll need to right-click on the game in your library, open up the Properties window, and then go to Installed Files and verify the integrity of game files. Once this process is done, go to the General tab again and under Launch Options add -VX11 command. Now you can close out of Steam and then open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, you will need to download and install the NVIDIA app, and then open it up and go to the drivers section. From here, select Game Ready driver, download and install the latest driver. And once it's installed, you will need to open up your browser and then search for Redist. Click on the first link, scroll down to the second table and download and install 86 and 64 version. And once you finish installing these two right here, you can basically restart your system by clicking on the restart button. And once your system is restarted, just open up Steam as admin before launching the game. So right click on Steam and just click on run as admin. And now you can launch the game, and this should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.